like, he always told me that, like, jokingly, but I took it too seriously today. And, like, I was, like, on the verge of tears, but I was laughing really hard. It was
Why are you in this?
I don't know, my emotions are everywhere today. I was talking to Brian, and we play around a lot. He's like, Emily, you look dusty today. And I took it kind of like up, but I don't know why. And I was like, I know I do. And like, I was on the verge of tears, but I was like laughing hysterically. It was
I went to CIF tournaments, so right
it was
before
terrible.
Swimming is any different than wrestling.
Why?
You can do everything.
Because I've been late so much, but like, I always
Use different muscles. Completely different. Use different muscles.
I also want popcorn. You want to try?
Is it kettle corn?
I think so. It's not good.
Hey. We're going to take notes. Luis is missing. Who else? Thanks. You want to let her in? What's the sign up? One run pass? Thank you. Put the day. So you see how I wrote the day on the side? So you want to give me that program I dropped on the floor too? That'd be nice. Thanks, I'm a mess. Hey guys, want to see something really pretty?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it better.
Hold on. Like it's not done. I had her name in.
We're gonna make it better.
Where am I at?
Huh?
I chewed all the way up.
And I like it. Isn't it so pretty?
I like it better.
Saturday night. It's my exciting Saturday night, guys.
I can't be there.
Freshman Olympics is right?
Yes.
Right?
Thursday. What? There's only 4 teams, which is okay. We possibly could. What? If your team wasn't a whole, we're putting some teams together.
Could you tell me who's on my team?
No. Where? There's something I have to look. No, I have it in here. Alright. So, thumbs up. Oh, not thumbs up. On the count of fingers. 5 fingers. 5 meaning you understood yesterday's notes, 1 meaning I'm still completely lost. Where were you yesterday?
I got it.
Okay.
3, 4.
3, 4. Today resembles yesterday. So, the difference between today and yesterday is that yesterday we talked about circumference. Circumference is located where? Around the circle.
So areas inside.
Areas inside the circle, okay? We're still looking at pieces of the pie. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So think of still your circle, think of your piece of pie like my strawberry cheesecake I ate on Saturday night. And then think of taking out the piece. So when we're doing yesterday was only measuring like the width on the outside, like how wide that piece was. And today we're looking to see how much area that piece is. Do you understand? So the formulas resemble each other, which is why you need to know the difference. Okay? Make sense? Your homework, the radius ones where you had to solve for radius, that was super easy. You made it hard if you did something weird. So just so you know, yesterday said circumference was, let's say, 69.4. All you do is say circumference equals 2 pi r. And then you say 69.4 equals 2 pi r, solving for r, divide by 2 pi, divide by 2 pi, plug that in a calculator and a radius. That's it. Yeah, you're welcome. Does that make sense? Yeah, hurry. That's all you had to do yesterday. You're going to do it again today, but with area. Okay? And then when it said to use your calculator's pi button, probably where's your notes, sir? You act like this is something new. Since August 12th.
Back when you you're still down to detail. It's August 13th.
Right? It's like we have 10 days left of school almost. Like, come on now.
Wait, how many days do we have after school?
I don't know, count. 14, 15, 16, 17?
I have 17 days to get my shit together.
Well, minus 2 days because you're already here, so 16.
So, okay, great.
Technically, like 8 days to campus north for this class.
Yep.
Class is like, we're sending
So a little heads up as to what the time looks like really quick. Shh. Your test for my class is the 20. Ouch. Hold on. I don't know if there's 2 pieces to the final yet. Right now it's scheduled for the 23rd. And then, yeah, wonderful. And then first part of the final on the 26th, and the second part of the final on the 31st. I do not know if that's still the case because I have not talked to the IM2 teachers. If that's not the case, I need to move this Unit 6 test to like the 25th, 26 review, 30 review.
I can't.
Oh yeah, I can't.
No, I'm sorry. It's just.
You have to believe in yourself.
It's because my family's team, they want to leave to go to Arizona for graduation.
When?
26.
Oh, that sucks. You're missing my review for final.
Why do you have
Or the first part of the,
on Monday of the last week?
because it's Memorial Day. So then the 30th is review, your finals on 31st and the 1st. Okay? We good?
Our final is.
No matter what, you have a final on May 31st. No matter what. On the 23rd right now is scheduled your Unit 6 test. I do not have to take this test, you guys. As of right now, the Unit 6 test is scheduled for the 23rd. I do not know if we are giving 2 parts to the final like we did first semester. Okay? I need to ask. If we do, the first part of the final is the 26th. The second part of the final is the 31st. If we're not giving 2 parts to the final, I'm moving your Unit 6 test a little bit, probably closer to the 25th. Still only 2 days of review for the final though. Okay?
Are you gonna do it like last time where it's multiple choice and then like?
That's what I'm saying. I need to ask.
Oh, okay.
Because if that's the case, the first part's the 26th.
I didn't know there's 2 parts.
We do it. She wasn't in my class, but she should have taken it.
We did not have the right part.
You should have. Alright, does that make sense? Morales, who's been out since like...
Why are you making questions again?
Morales was only here for like the first 3-4 weeks of school.
Is she never coming back?
She's not.
She'll be back in August. Well, she had a baby in October.
I'm surprised she's back already. Like,
I know, I was honestly expecting Miss Stinsky to not come back.
You realize when we don't come back, we lose money. God bless you.
so why is the Morales back? She's making
'Cause-
so much money.
She had a problem with the baby.
No, she just didn't want to come back.
I guess she's like really excited to have
Is it her first child? No.
Then, it's not a big deal. It's not. You should have seen my mom when she had my little brother. She didn't go anymore. She's like, whatever. It's the kid.
I know. I know.
Well.
Sometimes people can afford to stay home longer if they really wanted to. Or her doctor wrote her off, so I don't know. Wrote the note for her to stay home. We can't just stay home because we want to. Like there has to be a doctor's note.
Oh, you guys
So
too?
the doctor's note, she's not going to be paid anymore?
No, they get paid. They just have to pay out the subs. Like, not that I want to have a kid, like, not being married, but, like, if I had to, I'd have to come to work. Because otherwise, how am I going to afford, like, my life? Like, let's be real.
Kids aren't that great.
They're fun from the age of, like, 2 to, like, 5.
They're fun.
And then
They get annoying.
they're annoying again.
My niece is 5. She said she hated me. I want to cry.
Don't cry. It's Penny told me that too.
You know what? I was like,
It's like when you tell your parents, like, or you think it, like, I hate same thing.
like told them, oh, heck no. If I told my parents I hated them,
Have you ever thought it?
like,
Have you thought it?
not, like, I was like, not like thought it, but just kind of like, damn, like, they're being really shit right now. Not like hate.
No, I hate my friends sometimes. I tell them. That's really bad. That part of
The area the area of a circle. There's people that,
my mom's not even my mom. She's like my sister, so it's like.
yeah, that's not a good.
That's really not normal. It's not, but it's like she's so young and it's.
How old is your mom?
She's just like 37.
So is my mom.
My mom acts like she's like 16.
Honestly, it's the same, but like I told her to stop.
She came into my room today and she's like, "Are you wearing this today?" And I said, "It's on my bed for a reason." She's like, "But I want to wear it."
You should see that.
And I can't tell her no. She's like, "I'm not wearing it."
Hey,
See, like, my mom does all of my friends' cheese name, but like, she kind of just stops at a point. She's like, no, I don't want to hear this.
Okay, my mom.
alright, area of a circle is the amount of space the circle takes up. So it's all of this inside, yeah? The area of a circle formula is area equals pi r squared. We know that, right? Okay, good. Sector of a circle. Is the region bounded by two radii and their intercepted arc. Area of a sector theorem. Looks like yesterday there are two, one with a proportion, one without. It says area of sector APB over area of the circle, which is pi r squared, equals the measure of arc AB divided by the 360 degrees. So you see how this resembles yesterday?
Yes.
Which is why you have to be careful to know which one it's asking. The same thing as saying area of sector APB equals the measure of arc AB over 360 degrees times pi r squared. Either one is right. So we're looking at the piece of pie taken out, or that piece. Yes. Your first day of school?
August 14th.
Nope.
August 9th.
Is it like August 10th,
August 10th.
My birthday's August 9th.
We come in earlier?
You'll be here August 9th.
I'll be here. Because I'm a link leader and we're showing the freshmen around.
That's orientation.
Wait, that's
Well-
orientation?
Yeah, it's orientation.
That.
Wonderful.
What are you doing? Yeah, we'll figure it out. Hey, Josh isn't gonna be here.
Don't whine like a baby.
Don't whine like a baby.
Where is he going? He's leaving
He's going to
already?
San Jose State and leaving me.
But doesn't he start until like September?
Because his orientation, I think, is August.
August. It's been there for 10 minutes.
Yeah, because we're supposed to go to the Kendrick concert, but that's sold out, so.
New
Yeah.
plans.
New plans, but yeah, his orientation is.
They will celebrate a month earlier. They got early happy together.
We should all have, yeah, we have to have like a big last hurrah.
And then you're adults.
And then he leaves. But Jenny,
I'm so tired.
Jenny, over Christmas break, I'm gonna go up there to visit him. So if you want to take a road trip with us.
Yeah. Alright, examples, here we go.
I know, see. I didn't know that they like kicked him out. I thought it was like the movies where you can stay there.
Yeah.
Nope, or you pay more money.
Oh, never mind.
So let's find the areas of the sectors formed by angle UTV. Angle UTV. I'll give you a second to write that down. Ready? What do you know?
The area sector.
What is it asking?
Find the area of the sector formed by UTV.
So how many sectors are there?
There's one sector.
No, there's not. How many sectors are there? There's two.
Oh, right.
This doesn't look where like you're not sure if you're right or not, so you're just gonna second guessing yourself. Yeah.
Sector 1, sector 2. Hence the word areas. Sectors. Yes? Okay. We have two sectors, so we're going to find the area of sector 1 first. So let's label it number 1, and let's go ahead and write the formula, unless you write the formula. Yeah, so you what? Remember it. So what's the formula say? I'm going to say small sector. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Area of small sector. What's the sector called? UTV equals. R squared. That just came from where? The notes. Okay. So we're gonna write what?
70 over 360.
Over 360. times pi 8 squared. 70 and 360 counts to divide by what? 10. So I get 7 over 36 times 64 pi. You can reduce it right now if you want, or you can just multiply. Yeah. I want it in simplest, in terms of pi, but in simplest form first. Okay? In terms of pi first, and then give me a decimal after that. So 7 times 64. 7 times 64 is all you're doing.
Oh, it's 448.
448 over 36 pi. I want that reduced. So divide both of them by what? Bigger than 2? 4. Because you have 448 on top. So divide by 4, what do you get?
Oh, you can still reduce.
1,
12.
12 over 9. You can add 2 plus 1 plus 1.
Oh, 4.
Can you divide that by 3?
No.
Then no. So this is simplest form in terms of pi, yes? Make a note of it. So I want 2 answers because depending on what the question asks, okay? So there's 1. Now to give me area of small sector, hold on, UTV in terms of decimal. 39.10.
Oh.
What? Is this degrees? Area? Area is degrees?
Oh.
No, area is not degrees. What is it? Is it? Is there a unit of measure? So then we write what? When you're not given a unit of measure, what do you write? Units squared. Good. How many of you remember that from like middle school? You plug it in the calculator?
Multiply pi by 1.
You do 112 times pi divided by 9. Okay, what do you do now? Big sector. So I'm going to write area, big sector, UTV equals the measure of arc. What's the arc name? USV. Very good. Why is it 3 letters? Because UV is just the other one, which we already did, plus it's a major arc. Times, oops, pi r squared. Okay. Go do. Make sure you get it in simplest form in terms of pi first, and then go ahead and get a decimal. Oh man, I forgot this up. Look how delicious this is. Please look. Hey guys, what's the measure of the arc? What's the measure of the arc? What?
I was still developing.
290. How did you get 290? Duh.
Wait, what?
Pay attention. Here we go. Now, go back to the picture really quick. Stop talking. Here we go. It says that this arc here is 70. This is 70. I want arc USV, which is this whole piece. So how in the world is that 70 if that piece is 70? Yeah, 360 minus 70 is what? 290. So this is 290. So why did you write 70?
I have no idea.
Me neither. So then here is 290 over 360 times pi, what's your radius? 8 squared. We know that 290 and 360 divide by what? 10. They don't divide by 0, they divide by 10. So we get 29 over 36 times 64 pi. You can reduce 64 and 36, or you can multiply and then reduce. It's up to you. I'd rather reduce now, but that's up to you.
Oh my word. That's a
1856 pi over 36. Ladies and gentlemen, what goes into 64 and 36 though?
2. I just went back to 2 because I was like,
You can do 2, but 4 works. So divide by 4.
got 4, 6.
Or plug it in the calculator, it'll divide it for you.
I got 464.
If you put it in as a fraction in my calculator, 464 over 9. That's in terms of what? Pi. That's simplest form in terms of pi. Then you're going to do what? Plug it in the calculator. So the area of the big sector, UTV, is approximately what?
is it 162? Like, rounded?
Yes,
161.9.
Why would you do that if there's a 9 there? Why don't you just round it to 162?
Because we never round to a whole number.
You don't?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, it's 6.
7.
7.
Units what?
Square.
Squared. What's the number after 6? That's why. I'm done with notes. Write your summary. Do you see how it's very similar to yesterday? Okay, listen. In your homework, you do not have to find both sectors. You only have to find the one that's highlighted. Not always a small piece. Do you understand that?
You look over there like somebody did. You know we all did it, okay? So like, I did at least like
How did
6
you know the difference between what we learned yesterday and your
You have to know what it's asking. Area of sector versus yesterday was arc length.
Oh, that's true. You can tell that difference of the circles too, no?
No, a circle's a circle.
No, because these ones have letters. Like, they're not like those other ones are just A, B.
Wonderful. These don't have letters
You know?
in the homework.
Well, but yeah, like I found it and I was like, that's Jenny. I was like, that's not Jenny. I was like, I wrote it.
All right, really quick, public announcements. Ready? Here we go. The announcement is this. If you are missing a test or a quiz, it is not my responsibility to hold your hand to go figure out when to take it. It is your responsibility to get it done, yes? If you waited this long, you're lucky I'm letting you take it. Because you should have done that the day you came back, correct? Because it's not like you didn't know when the test was going to be.
Said
That includes notebooks.
I go to the restroom.
No, because she's going.
Sir, hurry up.
Huber?
No, you go.
She told me,
You said you needed to pee really bad.
she told me that the test is in November.
Stop being nice.
Okay, she said, do you speak and understand English, like you speak Spanish fluently? She said you'll pass it, no problem.
Wait, just speaking it, will we be able to?
Speak and listen.
Yeah, like honestly, just
so
have
no writing?
to.
Nope. Did you take the SAT or no, for Spanish? No.
It's on the calculator.
You don't use 3.14? Ever?
I know.
You're doing
It was pretty easy.
Like honestly,
464? Nine?
You get like a little CD player, you put it on, they give you a CD for the first time. You make sure you have to do is listen to it, and then you answer the questions that it gives you.
It's in the camera.
Some are just filling in the, like,
Oh, it should be in that camera. No, it's in this one.
asking like what it means.
Is it in there?
Repeat that.
No? And then it's in here.
They give you.
Shh. All it is listening and speaking. You took it?
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay, it's super easy. Miss Huber said if you can speak Spanish fluently and understand Spanish, you will pass the test, no problem. All you need is, if you look at the paper back there where it says I'm going to college, it tells you the number you need to get to count for Cal State and AUC. I think she says it's like 480. She says 480 is like super easy to get. If
But honestly, if I pass it, you can pass it.
you passed it too? Okay, so she passed it. Who else took the SAT? You took it? Easy?
I kind of
Yeah. You took it? Easy? There you go. There's 4 people who've taken it in here who said it's easy.
Like,
It's the easiest test you'll ever take in your life.
yeah.
Right. They said if you
All my, like,
they said all you have to do is speak it and understand it. You don't have to read it or write it.
I don't really know how to speak it.
And she passed it.
Yeah.
Come on. She can pass it, come on.
homework.
It's like road test. It's like white test.
She says it's in November, so if you want to take it, like, if you want to get into Avid, you want to talk to her. Because she's still doing schedule stuff, and so she can give your name to counselors. Alright, get to work. You have homework. Notice you need to know what you are doing. Why do I always...